so now that the brows are done, I like the way they look. I have my concealer on. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I am all ready for this video. So I'm gonna use the shadow switch to clean off my brushes. I do this about every video now. I feel like it's a part of my routine. All you do is take your brush into the product and shake it, and all of the product from the previous look is off. Piece of cake. And now I'm gonna go in with the eBay palette. This is a palette that I got off of eBay. It's like a bright, colorful eyeshadow palette. It's like 180. And I'm just gonna be focusing with the purples today and add like a little bit of fun to this look. Focus with the purples. This purple here is dark purple, and I'm gonna apply it to the crease. Blending out very, very well. Ooh, pigmented. And then as I'm blending it up, I'm going to be taking it and adding like a lot of pressure. Like I'm going to go heavier pressure in the first half of the lid, and I'm going to go, I'm at the crease, and I'm going to go lighter pressure at the top of the, on top of the crease. So it's like you go heavy, then you go light, pretty much. So like you go heavy. Either way you go, you're still gonna do the same method. Like this eye, I started on this side, and then you can do the same thing. Like you can go heavy, and then you can go out light. That's kind of what blending really is. And it works for me. Kind of like drag it up and then go light as you drag it up. And then the remaining of the product, the brush itself, and it really doesn't have like a lot of product on it, will definitely ease up the eye look a little bit, or you can open up your eyes and get it right into the socket of that crease. And then go like that and just light it up. Just like that. Now I'm going to clean it off again with the brush, and then I'm going to go in the exact same palette and I am going to add these two purples into the crease as well, up under the purple that we did just use. So like right up under, and it's just so gorgeous. Like it just gave the look a little extra loving and an extra pop. Just like that. So you just give it like extra loving to the eyes. I feel like I wasn't zoomed in enough. So whenever you do that, you just get like a little extra loving. Make sure you tap on major excess, because extra excess will take away from the look, and you don't want that. Just like go in heavy and go out soft. In heavy, go out soft. Don't want to go too heavy with it, just enough, because I always like to add a little bit of black into the crease. If you guys notice, I do that a lot. And leave it just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. I know the controversy, girl, but I spent $18 on this, and I'm not letting my money go to waste. Cause it's like, why say cancel a brand when you don't? I mean, I can understand if you didn't buy anything from them and say cancel, you'd be okay, but $18 could have went somewhere else, and I've already used it, and I don't believe in, you know, giving. Okay. I have my concealer on. Get the thing set in place. Concealer. I feel like I want to use some color. I want to use some color on the lid. I think I'm gonna go in with this, let's see, with this green here. I'm gonna apply it to the lid. Go in with this yellow, and I'm gonna apply it right next to that green, like kind of like overlapping the green. This yellow isn't really that pigmented at all, sis. So you know, it's not that pigmented. But we are going to start working with this color. So we're just going to do what we got to do. Why did I go back into the green? Why? I said yellow. I just dipped my brush right back into the green, guys. And that's not the look that I was going for. I mean, the shadow that I was going for. Using the yellow. I mean, you can see it a little bit, but it's not picking up the way it is. Like, it can be bright, as you know what, in a palette, but it's not picking up as I want it to pick up on the eyes. Very well. And I'm still using the same e.l.f. brush. So, and I'm going to go in with the teal color. All I'm doing is taking eyeshadow and then packing it on there, and then I'm going to be blending as I go. Like blend as I go. Why do I feel like I'm getting neon Peacock vibes here? Like, that's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting from this look. And then I'm gonna take the, let's see, I think I'm gonna go with the black and go and blend everything else back together. And I'm just taking the end of that brush and I'm just kind of fading the black into the crease. Yeah, fading the black into the crease. Back in, add some glue and pack it. I really don't want to go overboard with this. On, and then I'm going to do my lashes.